This critical life lesson on applying yourself with reading and comprehending actual legal definitions of legal terms, use of the legal language used in federal and state legislation, especially in state vehicle code, is exclusively being brought to you by Travelers Society of California, the first and original automobile exempt club and a people's rights to travel society, combined as a private NGO. Not of any creature of the state, but of the people, by the people. Founded by a rare Sigma expert, private attorney general on people's inalienable, natural, civil, and constitutional rights, California Vehicle Code, other related state and federal legislation, and of California DMV manuals and their information. The multimedia used in this video lesson is strictly for educational, informative, reference, commenting, analysis, criticism, and for feedback as protected use under the Fair Use Act. Travelers Society of California video lessons or our other multimedia content are not any form of legal advice. Nor is Travelers Society of California any creature of the state, such as a non-profit corporation, law firm, business, or lawyers for hire. We share accurate and verifiable information of our collective expert knowledge base with our insight, comments, analysis, and mentorship. By proceeding to view this video lesson on your own free will, you agree to protect the rights of the people of their freedom of speech and expression, regardless of anything displayed, shown, said, or expressed in this video that you may feel offended by or disagree with. You comprehend, understand, acknowledge, and will maintain your agreement and not make any report of this video content or any multimedia contained within this and our other multimedia content to the social media platform administrators thought they are featured on. And do hold Travelers Society of California harmless from any liability for any injustice, police and court misconduct, injury, losses, damages that may occur from attempting to assert the people's rights, and any attempts with applying corrections of your local police department officers and courts from any methods shown in this video lesson and of our other multimedia content. Any such attempts with correcting local police officers and courts with asserting and the exercise of the people's rights to being free and independent and having inalienable rights to acquire, possess, and make use of privately owned consumer household goods, you do so at your own risk. If you do not want to respect and uphold the people's inalienable rights to their freedom of speech and expression, would be offended by such use of rights and do not agree to hold Travelers Society of California harmless, then stop this video now and do not proceed.
I like it here very much. San Diego, especially Gaslamp, it's super awesome.
Good. Well, you have a great rest of your night.
Yeah, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Bye.
Contrary to popular belief in unlawful disinformation, illiterate ignorance, and failing to do any due diligence to actually know the legal definition of driver and use it as just general car use, well, the actual legal definition from a credible law dictionary will prove that The driver is an occupational role that's already been established before the car was even invented. So it is not even car related. And the use of that legal terminology of driver is a job. And that's the only appropriate way to use it, is referring to somebody's job. The driver's been and still is a job role, and it existed before the car was even invented. Then the driver wanted to use a car instead of the horse and carriage. If you can recall the Wells Fargo Bank image of a man on top of a wagon that's being pulled by many horses, well, there you have it. There's the driver before the car was invented.
I just wanna fall in the club to the morning. Keep the drinks coming up like an alcoholic. I just wanna fall in the club to the morning. Cause I got your number, don't be that I'm calling.
From the window to the wall. Met her at the club, then I took her to my house. Yeah, I got a number, I won't call. Play this song, I showed it, take it off. Play that shit. Play that shit.
Home security!
Play that shit.
Girl, you're looking for somebody you can call on. Call on when you need it done right. If you're looking for a real one, so am I. So am I. Girl, you're looking for somebody you can call on. Call on when you need it done right. If you're looking for a real one, so am I. So am I. Said you wasn't coming over, but you happy that you came, yeah.
Yeah.
Said you wasn't gonna drink, but you happy that you did, yeah.